Hey guys, a video on Intel. We did move to the FIBs here that we had from this low to this high, indicating that this could be a wave 4. First FIB didn't really show support. Now we moved to about the second FIB at 101, showing some reaction. Now again plus 4% on the pre-market, going back above this trend line with it if we can open like this, and now we could then try and make one more high in a fifth wave. As a target box for this fifth wave, I can take FIBs like this, starting at 140 to 155. Okay, this can obviously extend, but this would be, I think, a good guideline to have as a minimum level which we want to reach with this fifth wave. Okay, after we've done that, a larger first wave will be done, or we'll have to consider all of this as a wave 3 if we can reach this box here. Okay, this yellow box is taken from this 1-2 setup. We want to reach this box with this wave 3. As you can see, pretty aggressively. Now maybe this fifth wave indeed is gonna get here, and then instead of labeling this another 1-2, I have to label this as the wave 3 done, then a wave 4, and then a wave 5. Okay, I think that's even the better scenario. This internal count is not realistic if you consider how high this has pushed already. This is the internal labeling, and doing this in another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will just be, I think, too much. Never say never, but focus should be, I think, more on this box and more on this internal labeling first, and after that we can see and still maybe label it as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if this really wants to extend. To the downside, if you move lower, 101 and then 92.83, invalidation is here at 85.24. A wave 4 should not hit the 618. That's why it's an invalidation. If we look at AMD then, this one does look more like it's a 5-wave move done already. Okay, if you compare it to Intel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, your highest high here is on lower volume with bearish divergence, indicating to me that this is a fifth wave. So now then maybe in this case we can label this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside this wave 3, because as you can see here, compared to Intel, the target box from this 1-2 setup, we've not reached it yet and we're far away from it. Okay, with Intel we're almost already at that box, so that's why I hope with Intel, with that fifth wave, we can get to that box and make the third wave complete. Here this has to be a wave 1, then a wave 2, 3, 4, 5 to try and reach this box and complete the third wave like this. Okay, I have this box here for this internal potential 1-2 setup, 3, 4, 5. Now we did pull back here, we didn't reach the first fib though, so often you do reach at least the first fib. In very bullish cases you don't. What this might evolve into is something like this, ABC. Okay, and of course if it's too bullish, it will just go from here and we'll have to label this as the 1 and this as the wave 2. Very shallow wave 2 then, but it will depend, I think, also on Nvidia earnings and the semiconductor sector in general. Okay, ultimately this 1-2 setup has a target box starting at 1000. I know it's a lot, but it can get there easily. Okay, if the momentum keeps like this. And then to the downside, 377. We have the point of control here at 346 and the 0.32 at 330. In a 1-2 setup, your wave 2 can use all these fibs, so we have a lot of room to the downside. Okay, this might have been once again just a start of a larger correction, maybe even like this, And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.